Happy Friday, everyone. Today we're going to get down to work. So I'm going to help you today to navigate through your assignments. So we need to get into Schoology, and I'm going to start it from where it looks a little bit more familiar. Oh goodness, must be Safari. Okay, so typically when you log into Schoology, it's going to look something like this. And I want you to click on Courses and go to MTrack Science, and then open the Unit 1 folder. Okay. There we go. And click on the assignment calendar. And that's going to open a new tab for you. And then you're going to scroll down. Oh wow, it's this slow. You're going to scroll down, and I scrolled too far. There we go. Week 0 is where you want to be. Now notice up at the top, there is assignment for all classes. So what we need to do is you need to read the syllabus for each course. So all classes, you must click here. There it goes. And click on that button. And it's going to open up Schoology again for us. And it's going to take us to a folder called Course Syllabi and Year at a Glance. We're going to go into the Course Syllabi. And once you're in that folder, you need to go in there and open up each of these different documents. Your English 7, MTrack English 7, MTrack History 7, MTrack Science 7, MTrack Writing 7, and then you need to find the math syllabus that is appropriate for your course. Some are in Math 1, some are in Math 7 with Mrs. Cesario, some Math 7 with Mr. DeBoer, Sigma Math, and again Math 8. So if any of those, whichever of those is your math class, find the syllabus for your math class, open it up, and read through it. When you're done, we are going, I want to be here, back to this document, your assignment calendar, and then you're going to click here. And this time, it's going to open up a form for you. And this is where you're going to sign off that you have read all those syllabus documents. And you need to put in your first name and last name. And if, for example, your name is John Doe, but you have everybody call you Wilbur, you can't write Wilbur in here. You have to write in John. So if you use a nickname or your middle name, you need to use just your legal name for this document. And then you're going to mark MTrack. And then click Next. Click and choose your cohort teacher. Some of you have me for your cohort teacher, but choose whoever is your cohort teacher. And then once you and your parent have read each syllabus document, you can just mark these off. Yes, 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 I've read all my syllabus. And then you'll click Next again. And then finally, both you and your parent are going to check off that you've read through the policies in the parent-student handbook, okay? And we want you to, it's a long handbook, but make sure you look at the sections on academic integrity, behavior expectations, cell phones, and dress code. Once you've gone through those, check both of these boxes, one for you, one for your parent, and then make sure that you can log into Schoology. If you're doing this assignment, you must be able to, so check yes there. And then finally, your parent is going to type their name right here to sign and say that all of this is correct. And then when you're all done, you'll click on the Submit button. I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to close out this form. So that's what you need to do for your first assignment, which again, going back to the calendar, is up here. Your Friday, Monday assignment for all classes. And then you need to finish up with your science assignment, and we're going to do a Flexbook scavenger hunt. Now, go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you back to Schoology. And it's a little slow today. And there's your assignment, Flexbook Scavenger Hunt. When you click on that, you're going to see the assignment. And here it is. So our textbook is called a Flexbook, and we're going to open up the Flexbook and look around at Chapter 1 and just get used to navigating. There's no questions about the content. It's just looking around and making sure you know how to open up and read through your Flexbook. So what you want to do is print out this file down here and then fill it in with a pencil or a pen. And this is what that file looks like. Just taking a quick look, you'll see once you print it out that it should look something like this. Loading document 100%. I hope your internet connection is faster than mine. Dun, dun, dun. I'm thinking. And there it is. And just look through the Flexbook and fill in your answer to each of these little prompts. They are not difficult. It's just asking what you see. There's nothing that you need to figure out or anything like that. So that's our assignment for Monday and Friday. And if you have any questions at all, send me a message in Schoology, and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. You guys have a great Friday and a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.